In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk with Copilot. Okay, so Copilot comes in as a default application with Microsoft Edge. Okay, so once you open Edge, you should be able to have Copilot at the chat center as an app. Okay, attached at the top. Okay, within the add-ons, you should be able to see it. Okay, so you can start talking with it by just using the chat feature. You can talk to Copilot like this, or you can enable the side chat and you can still talk to Copilot directly. So turn on microphone. So you go to settings and then allow microphone.
Hey there.
Hello. Hello, my name is Dr. Rashid, and I just want to find out a bit of concepts in civil engineering. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
My name is Dr. Yus Abdul Rashid, and I'm a lecturer in civil engineering, and I am interested in finding out the basics of dams. Okay, in Nigeria, what are the most important concepts we need to consider when designing dams?
When designing dams in Nigeria, the key concepts include site selection, understanding the hydrology of the area, the type of dam suitable for the local geology, and ensuring proper spillway capacity. You'll also want to consider environmental and social impacts, since these can be quite significant.
All right, so basically, how many dams can you think about? And can you tell me a bit of their details as regards function? What are they designed for? I know basically dams are designed for various functions. So just list top three in northern Nigeria, and what are their various functions?
3 notable dams in northern Nigeria are the Kainji Dam, the Shiroro Dam, and the Goronyo Dam. The Kainji and Shiroro dams are primarily for hydroelectric power generation and also support irrigation and water supply. The Goronyo Dam is mainly for irrigation purposes.
Thank you very much. This is just a test. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a great day, T.
So you can see I had a very fantastic conversations with it. So please go ahead. If you want to have similar conversations, you can kickstart it on your Microsoft Edge and you can have a complete conversations, ask questions and get it answered in voice. Okay. I hope if you found this helpful, please leave a like.